Put it on, yeah?
I recently discovered the app Shein and saw they sell some really cute pet clothing and accessories. However, it appears those clothings are mostly fit for smaller dogs. Does that mean I can't get anything from there for bigger doggos like Genie? Of course not. Bigger dogs can be cute as well. So I managed to find all those bandanas for her and let's try them out. First, we have a one-size-fits-all cartoon dog pattern bandana. The stock photo is for a cat, but I think it looks very adorable on Genie. Second one is with avocado print that brings out the summer vibe. It comes into 3 different sizes and I got the large one. The material feels very smooth and there is a snap button in the back and makes it easier to adjust.
Good girl.
Next up, we got the cartoon graphic pet bandana. Again, this is one size fits all and it fits Genie just fine. It is the cheapest one of them all, but I liked it the most. Just look at the cute little stars and baby bear prints.
Want a treat? Do you want a treat?
The color looks very good on Genie as well.
Get back. Back, please. Back. Sit. Sit.
Next, we got the hard print eye detail pet bandana. Very straightforward naming convention here. It comes in various colors and I got the peachy pink one in size medium.
Genie, look at mommy. Aww.
This is the most expensive one of them all, but it's still only $6. So still very affordable.
Oh. Wait, try again.
Last but not least, we have the Christmas snowflake dog bandana in size medium.
Good girl. Stay.
I got this one on sale because it is obviously not Christmas.
Mommy, see?
The quality is definitely over the price here. Very thick material. You will see them again in this year's Christmas photos probably.
Good girl. Mommy, a high five? Thank you. Good girl.
Thanks for watching Genie's mini Shein haul. Which one of them is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. See you next time!